In this question, you're given that A is a subset of B. Then A intersection B will be equal to A, B, A dash, B dash. So this can be very easily understood by using a Venn diagram. So if you draw the Venn diagram corresponding to this case, so you're given that A is contained within B. That is, if you have a set B, my A is within this set. That is, my A is a subset of the set B. Now you're asked to find what A intersection B is. So this region corresponds to A and this region corresponds to B, right? So what is that region which is common for both these sets, A as well as B? It's nothing but the checked region. So if you can see very closely here, the checked region is nothing but the set A. So A intersection B will be equal to this set A.